As more and more companies are trying to move from SaaS, we see a common pattern where business or analytics teams are trying to perform migrations themselves. And the challenge is not just finding time. It's to make sure conversions stays consistent and fit the target platform. Today, we are introducing Alchemist MCP and Alchemist Skill. So now, teams can use Alchemist through their favorite coding agent, enabling business users and non-engineering teams to perform migration faster with the confidence in the result. Here's how it works. Teams use their favorite coding agents such as Databricks Genie Code or Claude Code or any other. The agent connects to Alchemist through custom skill or MCP. The user asks to convert SAS code using natural language. The agent understands the requests and delegates these tasks to Alchemist through skill or custom MCP. The result returns in a form that the user can review, refine, and use. Of course, two deployment options are available. If SAS works, you can use Alchemist Cloud for your conversion. If tighter control is needed, you can deploy Docker in your local environment. It includes MCP and all APIs required for agent integrations. Now to the fun part. Let's make it real. Here's a sample SAS program. It contains data steps and SAS procedures. Let's convert it to PySpark using Alchemist MCP. And today, for this purpose, I will be using Databricks and Genie Code. In Databricks, I will create a new notebook and I will attach it to a cluster. I will open Genie Code menu, go to Settings, just to make sure that Alchemist MCP is connected. After that, in Genie Code, I can simply type convert the following SAS code to PySpark and paste our sample. Hit enter. Now Genie Code analyzes the tasks, and over here it sees that it's supposed to call Alchemist MCP. I will allow it, and now within 10, maybe 15 seconds, the converted code will appear in our notebook. Okay, it seems Genie Code is done. I can review the summary of the task. Everything looks good. I will accept all the changes, and now you can see the final notebook appeared on the left side of the screen. Notebook looks good to me. I will try to run it. Okay, everything seems good. The notebook was successfully executed. So we are done here. Want to use Alchemist Skill or MCP? Reach out to Alchemist Sales or Customer Success teams. We can help you with setup or full migration end-to-end.